Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Kautsar.
My name is Gunawan.
We will present a PowerPoint about lack of interest in reading among students. I wish the first presenter. Abstract. The purpose of this research is the lack of interest of people in Indonesia due to the lack of loads of the ideas and their difference in ongoing innovative and creative in building memory and way to develop ideas that are creative and innovative yourself. This research uses a qualitative, quantitative, or combined reason and uses an explorative, descriptive approach. The participants in this research were all groups in Indonesia securities. The search data was obtained using observation, interviews, and documentation. Introduction. Reading is one of the basic skills that is very important for human life. Reading activities not only provide information and knowledge, but can also involve a person's critical thinking skill, creativity, and imagination. Unfortunately, interest in reading in Indonesia is still relatively low compared to other countries. Research methods. This research is a narrative review about as data collection method. Literature study is a systematic process of identifying, evaluating, and interpreting findings on a particular research topic, area, or phenomenon of content. Discussion 1. Interesting reading and interest in reading. Reading is a complex process involving various psychological elements such as skill, intelligence, abilities, interests, talents, emotions, preference, motivation, retention, memory, and cognitive ability. Reading 20. Interest is an inner attitude formed with a person that shows special attention to certain things. Selamat in course 1910. 2. The influx of reading interest in students. According to Slant, interest can be defined as a feeling of greater interest and inclination towards particular things of activity, which is carried out without encouragement from an party. Manuel Temple Bolon. Tampu Bolon believes the inverse is a combination or disuse and win which will continue to develop if a person has a strong organ. Internal factors that cause low interest in reading. Internal factor that cause low interest in reading. Well, one feels lack of motivation and personal cognitive argument to again in reading activities. Individualists who do not have the desire and internal enthusiasm in read did tend have low interest in reading. 2. Minimal awareness of the benefits and importance of reading for self-development. If individuals do, do not do not do not understand the value and benefits then that can be obtained from reading, the interest in reading will be difficult to grow.
External factors that cause low interest in reading. External factors that cause low interest in reading. 1. Lack of support from the family environment. If the family does not support and role mates in reading habits, this can affect students' reading interest. 2. Limit access to reading materials. The lack of availability of quality and overblood reading materials both in libraries and bookstores can also therefore reading ability can have a negative impact. Suggestion 1. For students, realize the process of reading for self and can developer. Take time regularly to read books, journals of Scanfield articles, join a committee or reading club on COPS to build a reading habit. Make maximum use of Compass Library facilities, apply of effective reading requests, scan as taking notes or summarizing. 2. For university, product if Compass Library that is completely comfortable and easy to access. High interesting literary programs, scan as book review, research or book exposure, integrate reading activities into the lecture curriculum, give hour of initiative to read this wow activity read, from lectures to motivate students to love reading. 3. For the government growth plugins and budgets, the support and reason interested in reading in her edition collaboration with publisher to reading book process so that they are overwhelmed from students from a culture of reading is scouty in reading among students. Conclusion: the beauty of interest in reading among students can have a determinant import both for the students' daily life and for schooling and the nation at large. Students are the next generation. The availability of fresh reading materials always varying to shows according to their interests and needs. That is all, and thank you.